we're going to focus on the ideation and coming up with either your own personal idea or listening to someone else and trying to come up with a visual way of representing their idea. When you're talking about a tattoo design, there are different factors to consider than just the illustration. You have to consider how the ink is going to be applied. There's different rules for how you draw a tattoo. It has to do with the line width, how close together the lines are. Can this be done at a small size? If you make a design too complicated at a small size, it's just going to bleed together. So you have to take into consideration the size of the tattoo, where the tattoo is going to be placed on the body. When you're drawing a tattoo, you have to think about the long-term aging of the tattoo, because the tattoo will look different the week after it's done. It will look even more different the year or 5 years or 10 years down the road. A line work drawing that has heavy lines that are far apart will be less likely to blur together than a line work that's very, very detailed and close together, which will oftentimes fade into each other. A tattoo design drawing that is more about shading and less about lines will fade a little bit, but actually probably look better over time. They'll kind of soften a bit. So illustration is a lot more broad. Tattooing or drawing a tattoo design is more limited in the scope of what you can and cannot do. And so thinking about those considerations will help you come up with the best design for your idea.